In this video, I am going to show you how to apply customer credit to an invoice in Wave. To start, head over to your Wave dashboard and click on the Sales and Payments option from the left-hand side menu. From the options that appear, select Invoices. Here, you will see a list of all your invoices. For demonstration, I currently have 2 invoices for the same customer. If you have a customer credit resulting from an overpayment that you want to apply to a new invoice, you can do this directly in Wave. First, ensure that the overpayment has been correctly added as a customer credit. In my example, I had a $100 overpayment from a previous invoice, which I added as a customer credit. If you are unsure how to manage overpayments, you can watch our video on managing invoice overpayments in Wave, where the process is explained in detail. Once the customer credit has been successfully added, go to the invoice you want to apply it to. Here, I have a new invoice of $200. Click on Record Payment for this invoice. In the payment window, click on the Method drop-down menu and select Customer Credit. Wave will display the available customer credit for this customer. Enter the amount you wish to apply to this invoice, and you can also add any notes if needed. Click Submit once done. After applying the customer credit, you will see that the invoice is partially paid. In this example, $100 has been applied from the customer credit, leaving $100 still due. You can then record the remaining payment to fully settle the invoice. This is how you can effectively apply a customer credit to an invoice in Wave.